What's up, Dexter? Scared of the lawnmower. Hey, Dex. Alright, we already put air. Yeah, look at this tire. I guess it's a little moist still from when it rained. This was good too. And this Texas weather is crazy. It was like 100 degrees a couple days ago. Now it's 50 or something. Windy, feels like 30. It's insane. So this is what we've done so far. See the difference right here? It looks pretty nice. Straight line. It feels nice out here. I feel better if the sun was out. But got my jacket on. See how long it takes us to finish. Out of gas. We're gonna have to go into town, fuel up, and keep going. Still got a lot to do. Trying to get it ready for Easter. We had some rain, so the grass grew pretty fast, like in 2 days. So we're running into town, go get some gas, and maybe right now do some of the sides. The weeder. Before we go into town, we're gonna feed the chickens. This is a food little container. They always mess it up. They're so dirty. headed to town. Back. I'm going to town and I'm giving my sister-in-law driving lessons. It's been like a couple months already. She's never driven in her life, so she's doing better. She hasn't crashed yet. So let's see how that goes. And it's such a nice day. Check it out. What's up, guys? I'm gonna cook out tonight. So first we're starting with some pork chops. Fire's perfect. These are the first ones. We're gonna do fajitas. We got some chicken, and I believe that's it. But I'll show you guys right now. All right, so the pork chops are coming out. Look at that. That looks so good right there. Crispy. Now we're gonna do the fajitas, which are here. Seasoned with lemon pepper. These were all, the pork chops were also seasoned with lemon pepper. And we have the last ones right here. Look at that. They're coming out really crispy. How do you guys like your pork chops? Me personally, I like them super crispy, almost burned. I don't know why, I just like everything crispy, crunchy. But yeah, I'll show you right now. Here's the first batch of fajitas. Hi, man. Look at that. Stacy. This is Stacy. She's waiting for me to get her got in there. Look at that. Oh, it's a beautiful night. Windy. Perfect night to cook out. There's my baby inside. Having some tea. Not drinking tonight. Drank last night. So we're taking it chill today. But now the chicken's on there. Let me show you guys. Let's see. The last piece of fajita should be done now. Then all these chickens. This is the first batch of chickens. We got one more to go. Stacy, what's up, girl? My duck wants to swim. So we're gonna put some water in her little pool. Kiwi, we got your pool ready. It's okay. Where are you going? Kiwi. Kiwi. Your pool will be ready in a bit. Kiwi. Getting your pool ready while I make this chicken. Look at that. It's crispy. Yeah, that looks good. I just put these in. These have been in there for a while. Look at that beauty. Kiwi, what you doing? Let's see if I can zoom in on that. That looks weird. Kiwi, come here. Come here, Kiwi. Please let me catch her. Come here. I'm gonna chase you. So finally we're doing the brisket. I had forgotten about this. Some brisket. We always do this one at the end because it makes a lot of smoke. Right now, in a little bit, I'll show you guys what I mean. We got all this. That's all we have for tonight. It's a little bit early, so I'll start practicing.
beautiful night. We're almost done. We're cooking all this for the week to last us a couple days, like maybe like 3 or 4 days. We're gonna meal prep. We made some rice inside, and I think we're gonna make some other sides. I don't know yet, but yeah, I've been cooking for like 2 hours maybe, going on 3. Yeah, with the doggy. This is Stacy, and here's Kiwi. Hey Kiwi, what are you doing? She's roaming around, but making sure none of the other dogs come out, because they'll come and attack her. This one's very calm. She's used to her. But let's see. Here comes the flames. This has a lot of fat, so that's what makes the fire go up. But yeah, we're almost done. I'll show you guys everything we made that's inside already. But yeah, thanks for watching. Be back. See, it's starting. Look at that shit. Gotta close it up. Gotta calm down for a bit. That's why we always make it at the end, because all that fat makes the fire go crazy. And there's a saying where we live, is if you want to let the neighbors know that you're making carne, you put that brisket on and they'll smell that smoke miles away. Look at that, still smoking. It's crazy. It's my favorite though. So good. Make it crispy. It's the way I like it. Can't even see with the smoke. Look at that. All the neighbors are probably laying down right now, saying, damn, who the fuck is cooking at this time? Oh, shit. Fucking wind. Wind is strong tonight. But yeah, we're almost done. Right now I'll show you guys everything we made. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you stay to the end of the video.